I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to close your account on SoFi Invest, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your SoFi Invest account using the mobile app or website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings. This is usually found in the profile section of the app or website. Step 3. Select account closure. Look for the option that mentions account closure or deactivation. This may be under submenu like account management. Step 4. Review the terms. Before finalizing the closure, review any terms or conditions provided. This is important to understand any potential impacts on your investments or fees. Step 5. Confirm closure. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Remember, if you have any pending transactions or investments, make sure to address those before closing your account. Good luck, and I hope this helps you navigate the process easily.